Take a moment to check out the 2022 Mini Hardtop. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This artfully designed Mini Cooper hardtop delivers track-inspired handling, fun-loving retro styling, advanced safety features like automated emergency braking, and loads of personality. Driving it makes you smile from the inside out. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. You deserve the fun that comes standard with this Mini Cooper hardtop. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.